Welcome back from the break. And as you can see, my table's all set. I've waited long enough, I'll have to be very honest, This episode has been a real test of my patience. So I'm not going to waste any further time. I'm just going to dig in.
Okay, that's it.
So tabbouleh was the first thing that actually made. I'll have to say that there's something similar that we have in Pakistan for this, Probably the bel puri that we eat. Only the crunchier bit, the nimco, is actually missing in it. The zest of lemon, we put lemon in it, right?
Yes, we put lemon.
The zest of lemon is actually giving a very refreshing taste in the tabbouleh. So I'll be trying out another salad now.
Try that.
Which is the fattoush
The
that we
fattoush
made.
now, yeah? Okay. I can sell it for you.
Now been served with fattoush. It's actually a classier form of the salad that we eat regularly at home. It's actually called the kachumar as well. But this one's kind of tangy as well. But it's a lot more crunchier. As you can feel the crunch, as you can probably hear the crunch I'm having. And along with the crunch, it's tangy as well. Not like the regular salad that we have at home.
Usually we have more than 100 kind of meze.
Really?
Yeah. When asking, I want full meze.
Wow, 100 is gonna be like
100
a lot.
kind of meze. We have meat, fish, vegetable.
So do you mix in meat as well with the salad?
Yeah, with the mix with the salad. Meat.
Quite a number, 100. Wow.
Only this one, only meze appetizer.
Just the appetizer.
Just appetizer is.
I wonder how the meal is gonna be.
Yeah. Still, we're not going to for main course.
I'm so up for what do we call this?
This is mutabbal.
Mutabbal,
You
of
can
course.
taste it.
Yeah. Mutabbal actually means marination, if it's translated. Everything is so crunchy, The taste, the taste of every vegetable has been retained within every salad.
You go for the Lebni?
And now I'm going to be trying the lebni, which is actually yogurt.
Yeah. This is Lebni made in yogurt. The yogurt we put in a bag and hang it overnight to water one out. Then we mix it with salt and with garlic and fresh mint, chopped fresh mint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tastes good. And finally, I'm going to be trying the cheese.
This is called shangalish.
But there are three different kinds of cheese that we use in
three
this.
kind of cheese. We use all Lebanese cheese. This cheese you can find only on Lebanon.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these cheese are actually prepared specially by Chef Kareem. So for this, you'll actually have to come only in Kebabji and have this cheese. Well, amazing as it is, So this tastes exactly like feta cheese, right?
We mix with feta cheese and we call this kawi cheese and chilal cheese. We have three kind of cheese.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's quite salty actually, But the oregano has actually lessened the taste of salt in it. Having all these refreshing salads, I'm actually prepared for my meal. The heavenly meal that we prepared inside. So we'll have the chicken first, right?
Yeah.
See, the chicken has actually been skewed as we talked about it. And it goes back to the nomadic tradition, because they used to wander about in Arab and whatever food they got their hands on, they used to barbecue it or grill it, of course, on the skews. So I think I should get started. Good job, chef.
Yeah.
This is really good. Chicken being my favorite,
Bon appetit.
Yeah. Of course, bon appetit. So which one's your personal favorite, chef? Chicken, meat, or lamb?
I like everything.
And which is your favorite, specialty that do you cook when you're home?
When I go out, sometimes I help my wife.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So she's the lucky one? And what do you cook?
There is some one Lebanese dish very famous. It's called kibbi bil laban.
Okay.
Yeah, this is yogurt, cooking yogurt with garlic, with coriander. Plus make a kibbi. Kibbi is like crushed meat with the minced meat.
Okay.
Yeah,
So is your wife a better cook or
yeah.
you?
I could share.
Yeah? There's no insecurity?
She's nice now. Very good. She's very
That's
good.
nice. Getting a good help in the kitchen, you know, is really nice. Especially the husband being such an amazing chef. Oh my God, nothing's better than that. So the shish taouk, you know. So should I try the...
Dawad Basha.
And of course, I'm going to be trying this with my pita bread. Do you think I should be having this with pita bread?
Yeah. Usually we serve it with rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
White rice?
White rice. Everything.
But I'm going to eat the Pakistani way, you know.
Yeah.
Any gravy with the roti, with the bread, of course.
This, as I said, you know, the lamb mince.
I can actually feel the taste of the 7 spices that you
seven
put in,
spices,
you know.
yes,
It's so different. It was so missing in the salads that I had. It was just seasoned with salt. But this was actually giving a completely different taste with all the cinnamon and the cloves and the coriander.
Black pepper, cumin powder.
I mean, every
nutmeg,
single spice
yeah.
actually felt in a very distinctive way. It's just too good. I mean, thumbs up, chef. Honestly,
Thank you.
it's
Wonderful.
very, very, very good. So usually the Lebanese food is served with rice or with pita bread?
We're serving with rice and bread.
So what kind of
The
rice
water.
do you make? Do you
We can-
completely boil them or what?
Usually, no, we cook the rice with vermicelli.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, with vermicelli. We sauteed the vermicelli in ghee.
Okay, so does it taste really sweet?
No,
the
no,
rice?
not for using for the. It's kind of pasta.
Okay.
Very, very fancy.
So it's
vermicelli.
rice served with pasta.
But vermicelli, called vermicelli. It's not
Very
like-
strange actually, vermicelli rice,
Nice.
you know, with all the Lebanese food. So what do? You fry the vermicelli?
You will fry the vermicelli and we put the rice and chicken stock and salt, white pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me something, how long have you been working in kebab?
I'm here nearly 4 years.
Okay.
Nearly 4 years.
And how has it been?
Well, it was good.
So how
You know-
long is this kebabji?
Kebabji is now I think 6 years now.
Okay.
6 years
and you
now.
started
opening
4
it.
years before.
I start now. I'm 4 years here. Yeah.
Okay.
But before one chef before me, 13 years.
So do you miss Lebanon?
Yeah,
Of course.
of course.
Sweet home.
Lebanon, no, a sweet home and very good country.
Definitely.
Well,
And amazing food.
Amazing food.
Yeah.
Very good.
This has been simply great. And as much as I want you guys to have this food with me here, you can't. So for that, you'll actually have to come in here at Kebabji, the Sheraton Karachi, and have the true Lebanese cuisine. It's time for me to go now. I'll see you next week with another exciting episode of For the Love of Food. So, ta-da!